Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Create an account with your email and a strong password using two-factor authentication. Open the Mint app or web dashboard, tap Add Accounts, and follow prompts to securely connect your financial institutions. Link checking, savings, credit cards, loans, and 401(k) by selecting institutions and entering credentials. Mint uses bank APIs and secure tokens to maintain access. Expect multi-factor prompts from banks. Mint syncs transactions and balances automatically, usually within 24 to 48 hours after linking. Review connections in settings and reauthorize when a bank requires it. Set monthly budgets per category and adjust limits by reviewing past 3 to 6 months of spending. Use the Overview tab to see income, bills, and spending side by side. Drag categories or tap Edit Budget to change amounts. Create goals like an emergency fund of 000 or a 5,000 down payment and track progress toward each goal. Categorize recurring bills and tag transactions to reflect two incomes, joint accounts, or tax items for clarity. Use alerts and reminders for upcoming bills and overspending at 80% or 100% thresholds. Enable two-factor authentication, use app biometric unlocking, and remove unused accounts promptly to reduce exposure. Regularly review the accounts list and verify balances. Delete or reauthorize any account that shows errors. Export transactions as CSV for tax prep and reconcile monthly to catch duplicates or missyncs. Use custom categories, split transactions, and set one-time or recurring transactions for accurate reporting and better cash flow forecasting. Finally, check the security section for authorized devices and update passwords every night.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.